Hello YouTube, this is Henbasket, and this is my 200 subscriber special. You may notice, I'm not in my dormitory. That's right, I'm visiting my parents' house. And I decided while I'm here, I'll actually deliver that collection video I promised Frank Doherty. Yes, only 100 and then some subscribers late. So, here, I have my AIM Security Corp rebranded as a Simplex Pulse Station. Model number SP1TB. Not reset. Don't care. There, I have my system sensor SC24110, I think. Here, I have my system sensor HWLF. Over there is my system sensor P1224MC. Here I have my Ademco panel. Nope, that's my SCI key. Unfortunately, forgot I did that. Unfortunately, I don't have the programmer for it, so I can't get it to work. My 7720 ULF. There, my my system sensor MDL. Wow, how did I mess that up? Here, I have my PC 24110. Here, I have my rebranded Edwards Pulse Station. Rebranded as a standard BC1250. As you can see, it still has the Edwards logo there. Yeah. Oh, and I don't know why I have an 9-volt battery there. Here I have my FCI MS2 and my system sensor P2475. I can't remember the model number of that. It's my Chemtronics heat detector. Moving on. We have quite a lot. We have my off chime, which I can only assume is a 1724P. Here I have my Edwards 1251. I have two of these. I also have two IBM 2451-11s. There I have my RMS-1T first generation, which, as you can see, is missing a part or so. Here are my Pyrotronics Pulse Station. We get them all in number. Oh. Yeah. MPS2. No, FS2, sorry. Here I have the horn mechanism from my Simplex Truer horn strobe. I have my Wheelock MT, my Simplex 2099-9754, my two EST Genesises, a horn strobe and a regular strobe. Here I have my Chemtronics 601. Oh yeah, that's also 601 over there. I have my Simplex wall mount strobe on which came with a ceiling mount. What the bracket is for a ceiling mount strobe. Okay, also another Chemtronics heat detector. My Stopper 2 and my HC1120. Here I have my Simplex Truer, which is a smart sync. I was like 12 when I got it. I didn't know that you needed a SmartSync module for it. My Elenco 5C and my Wheelock AS. My Wheelock 3424, my Simplex double projector and 2903 light plate. My Gentex SHG, my Wheelock 31T 115, my standard control station, which I don't have the bracket for, unfortunately. My Edwards 270 SPO, my older Edwards 270 SPO, my Firelight BG8, my Firelight BG12, my Firelight VB6-12, my Gameo M69, my two vintage Firebells. I have my Gameo Master Box, my Simplex 4040, my Simplex strobe plate, my 938 on my 933 on my 2903. My Federal Signal 350. My 2099 9795. Yeah. My other Simplex strobe plate. My Simplex 425120 under a Simplex wire cage. My Simplex speaker strobe. My Simplex horn strobe plate. The Wheelock CH70 strobe and cover plate. My Faraday 1231. My Simplex 425120. My System Sensor SS24. My Simplex heat detector. My Thorn V5. My Simplex and Edwards coded pull stations. Here we have this old Simplex panel case and this Silent Night annunciator. I'm honestly kind of mad that the building that I got these out of decided to ruin a perfectly good thing. At least I assume it was perfectly good. I only think they replaced the panel. Here I have my Simplex 2099-9754, which is in horrible condition. My System Sensor MA casing and the Wheelock CH70 circuit board. Here I have my Wheelock MT24 LSM, my 2901 9062, my AES DL1 RH24 VNR, my 4060-8, my 9840 on my Simplex strobe plate. Oh yeah, I can't find it right now, but I do have a BG6. Yeah, I also have a Simplex smoke detector on the base. I also have the 2-wire version of the base, and also the version of without the heat. And also my Chemtronics Simplex rebranded heat detector, which unfortunately has been activated. And last but not least, my Master Box. Yep, and my PC 2W. Well, YouTube and Basket signing off.